Hey everyone, Lisa Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an online business coach and I'm here to help you get your messages out of your head, into your heart, and out into the world. What is the best strategy for growing your personal brand on social media fast in 2019? I said fast, like really low. It's really like, anyway, pretty much get your ass on video, okay? Yeah, I said it. Get your ass on video, all right? And let me tell you why. I'm gonna hit you with a few stats so you know that I'm not just making this stuff up here, but it actually works. According to HubSpot, 54% of consumers said that they want to see more online video in 2019. 87% of marketers use video as a marketing tool, according to Wise Owl. And according to Animoto, video is the user's favorite form of content to see from a brand. So as you can see, I'm not just making this stuff up, okay? Like, these are cold hard facts. The numbers do not lie, okay? And actually, as a consumer of content, you know, you would probably really enjoy seeing video content from brands and your favorite, you know, social media users as social media accounts as well, don't you? Obviously, you're on my YouTube channel now, so there's some truth to that statement, right? Videos not only help you to build brand awareness and increase sales, what's even more important is that they help you, your customers, to actually trust you. Ask yourself this: would you rather buy a product or a service from a brand that you just see on the shelf of a store, like at Target or something? Or would you actually prefer and actually enjoy buying or investing in a service from a brand that you know, have seen their video content, you've seen their video marketing on like your Instagram or your Facebook? It doesn't even be feeling like marketing half the time. And answer this: have you ever seen a video from a brand or, you know, a person, you know, on social media, and you actually went and like purchased what they were promoting or what they were sharing with you online? And ask yourself, why did you actually make that purchase? You know, keep it real, because you felt like you really trusted that person and you felt like you knew that person. There's a reason why influencer marketing is so huge right now, and companies are literally investing, I think it's close to like $17 billion this year in influencer marketing alone. Crazy. So people are very visual learners. Video builds that whole know, like, and trust factor in people so much faster than any other form of content. And that's because you can see people on video. You feel like you know them. You're looking into their eyes. You know, I feel like I'm looking, you feel like you're looking into my eyes right now, don't you? Because I'm staring at the camera screen. You know what I mean? And I mean, like, you can see how I move, how I operate. So you really feel, I feel like video builds a deeper connection with people way faster. Think about how you consume content. You know, I used to feel so stupid in school when we would have, like, you know, the days where the teacher would just read from their lesson plan or read from the textbook, and I wouldn't really understand what the heck they were talking about. But when we had the movie days and the teacher would actually follow up with what they were saying from the textbook, they followed up with the video. I was like, oh, I see. So I hope you understand by now that you need to get your behind on video. If you have any fear around video, you have like, you don't have the perfect setup, it's not the perfect time, you don't say the perfect things, you know, you talk really fast, like you slur your words, you stutter, whatever, it doesn't matter. Your audience are gonna love the way that you actually deliver your content. So forget about all your flaws and all that kind of stuff and how you're not perfect as the next person. You will learn as you go. You will get better as you go. You get better with practice though, so start practicing now. One of the ways that I actually practice for YouTube is to do Instagram TV videos. So I just set up my camera, super basic, super simple, like, and just create a video. And I don't write any notes for these videos. I just like talk. And it's really helped me over time to develop my voice and to actually be able to like convey my message, articulate it better, all these kind of things. So that's a little hack that I have for, you know, easing your way into maybe doing YouTube content or to doing video content on any of the other social platforms like Facebook or Instagram. And if you really want to take it up a notch, make sure that you're actually getting on live video as well. And don't do the live videos where you're just like, you know how people do live videos and they'll just get on the video, they'll push the live recorder button, but they're like doing something in the background, or they're just like in their car singing a song or something. Make sure that you're actually delivering value to your audience through your video. One, because those videos are just like, what's the point? Why are you going live? Like, I mean, if it helps you to actually build your way up to going live and actually sharing your content, you're not like sharing your knowledge, okay, I can kind of see it, but don't just get on live and just sit there and then be looking around and then look back at the camera and then look back and see who's online. No, nobody has time for that. Live video is actually really great for building trust with your audience really fast. One, because automatically people are gonna think that you're super brave and courageous for getting up and being on live video in the first place, because so many people are just like, oh, I don't wanna go live, I'm too scared to push the live button, I'm not perfect, oh my god, oh my god. Be that person, that leader that steps up and shows people that they can do it too and inspires them to do it too, you know? And obviously to share your message. And two, you can engage with your audience in real time. You know, it's different when somebody's just on the fly, you know, being able to answer comments and questions, as opposed to when they are, you know, more edited, like around with like with YouTube and stuff like that, because you can edit out all your flaws. But when you're live, you can't do that. Make sure that in your content strategy 2019 that you are definitely, I would say, mostly using video. I would say you do most of your video content. I mean, you can do video on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, you know, and on YouTube now. So you don't have to be on YouTube producing content and editing videos and stuff like that. You can do videos on Facebook, you know, Facebook Watch. You can do videos on LinkedIn, you know, you can use video. Vertical video is awesome on Instagram TV, and even just on your Instagram stories or on any stories, because there's stories everywhere now, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We talked about it in the last video, so I'm not gonna get too much into it this video, but you know what I'm saying? Like, make sure that you're getting on live video too as well, like video and then live video, okay? So my recommendations for growing your personal brand fast on social media in 2019 is to, one, choose one platform that you're going to focus all your time and energy into, and then two, share native video content that's actually specifically for that particular platform consistently. 3, get on live video consistently. I know you don't want to hear it, but trust me, it is not as scary as you think. You're not gonna die. You're gonna be fine. My motto is to educate, entertain, and empower. So if you are doing any of those 3 things, especially all 3 of those 3 things on video, you are good to go. Be vulnerable, be open, be authentic, and be transparent. You know, tell your story. 4, engage with your audience as much as possible, okay? So run polls, ask open-ended questions, share content that is relevant and valuable to them, and make sure that you're answering every comment and every DM, and that you're actually going into your audience's profiles and commenting and engaging in DM, you know, like commenting on their stuff too and liking their stuff too and showing them some love. It's all about that exchange of energy and showing love and actually showing your audience that you really do care about them in more ways than one. Creating content is one thing, but actually taking it a step further and engaging with them and learning more about them will not only help you to create content suited for them, but also will help them to really really trust you a lot more. And trust is the name of the game with personal branding. That's how you build a sustainable personal brand. That's why you got to get on video in 2019, okay? Do not overcomplicate this. Remember, start small and dream big. Everyone started somewhere, but the key is in starting. You have to start to be great. So I hope this video gave you a lot to think about. I hope that it got your wheels turning and you're kind of figuring out how you can incorporate video into your everyday content strategy. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to do everything with purpose, because that's the only way to make a difference, all right? And thank you so much for watching again. Hit the notification bell for the next video, all right, next Wednesday. So like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.